Hi there! In this video I want to show you how to add and remove Google account on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. So for that we just need to open settings and here search for the tab accounts and backup. Here it is. So now we just need to select right the first tab manage accounts and you'll see your current accounts here. To delete one you just need to select it by tapping and see this option to remove. So I'm gonna remove this account and confirm by pressing this red option, and now it's gone. So now to add an account we just need to use this option. Here select which type of account it will be, so Google in our case. Now we just wait a couple of seconds and now we just need to enter email or phone number of your account. So I'm just gonna do it quickly and get back to you in a couple of seconds. So now after you successfully entered your data including your email and your password, you will see this information about the terms of service. You just need to select I agree and wait a couple of seconds till it will be adding your account to this device. So here you can either turn on backup or do not turn on. I'm gonna select this option and now you are signed in. So just tap not now and accept here or decline backup device data. And here is your new account in this section. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.